consumer rights, this is something which affects all of us. These are our rights. All of us share these rights. They are common to us, but many a times we are not even aware of our rights as consumers. And in this video, I, Dr. Mariam Narona, will be taking you through an overview of our consumer rights. Broadly, in a nutshell, we have 6 rights as consumers: the right to safety, the right to information, the right to choose, the right to be heard, the right to seek redressal against unfair trade practices and restrictive trade practices, and the right to consumer education. So broadly, these are our 6 classes of rights. Now, to briefly explain consumer rights, the right to safety. So we have the right to be protected against unsafe goods or services. That means anything which is hazardous to our life or to our personal safety and to the safety of our property. We have the right to be protected against the marketing of such goods. So spurious goods, or you can say adulterated goods, we have a right to be protected against these. Then the right to be informed about everything relating to the product or service which we are purchasing, in terms of what is the quality, what is the quantity, what is the potency. So when you buy medicines, it will have a certain potency, 250 mg, 500 mg, so that is potency. Then purity. Obviously, if you're going to consume an item as food or drink, it has to be pure and safe for consumption. Every product or service that is manufactured or provided in the market should be of a certain standard. The price of goods or services, that should be a fair price. There should be proper disclosure. That's why we have the MRP and things like that. So all these things are necessary. We need to have this information, and you'll generally find that packaging is used as a vehicle to convey this information, as a means or a platform for us to receive this information. Also, terms and conditions on an e-commerce site or description, you need to read these things when you are making a purchase. The right to be assured, wherever possible, access to a variety of goods and services at competitive prices. This is our right of choice. That is, instead of imposing on us that you have only this one thing which you can buy, there has to be a variety available where we can choose, we can make that choice. And prices also have to be competitive. Nothing should be unfair or exorbitantly priced. Then the right to be heard and to be assured that consumer interests will be given due consideration at appropriate fora. Now, the Consumer Protection Act has a 3-tier redressal mechanism, alternative disputes redressal mechanism at the district, state and national level. We'll be talking about that later in another video. But we have the right to be heard. Many a time we don't exercise that right. When we see something going wrong with regard to a product or a service, we really hesitate to raise our voices, or we think that okay, I'm not going to waste my time in complaining about these things. It's just that the time that I have to put in is much more than the return or the justice that I'm going to get. Then the right to seek redressal against unfair trade practices or restrictive trade practices or unscrupulous exploitation of consumers. So you have the right to seek redressal. You have a right, first and foremost, to complain to the person who is guilty of doing it. And if that person does not listen to you, then you can go to the consumer fora for getting justice. And the right to consumer education. Now, all of us need to know about our rights. We should be able to actually be aware of them. But if we are not, then that is why you see the Jago Grahak initiative, which was launched by the ministry, and they make these efforts, and from time to time you'll see even in the newspaper and on the television and things like that, you might see ads which make you aware of your rights. So that was all regarding consumer rights, and in the next video I will be taking a look at the new act. We'll be taking an overview of what are the different changes in the new act.